Hi, my name is Jack Anderson. I graduated from the HVAC program at Penn Commercial in 2018. Right now I work for Coca-Cola and I'm a cooler service technician. Like I fix the soda valves, I work on McDonald's, I go to different restaurants and fix their things. I work on the pop machines. I also work on your coolers that you get your 20-ounce sodas at. So anything you see Coca-Cola on, thank me for it because I keep it fresh for you. What I liked about the HVAC program is it was hands-on more than books, because I like doing more like hands-on things. So it was a lot easier to adjust and to convert at such an older age to coming back to school, because it was a hands-on thing, and I'm a hands-on man. I like if I can touch it and fix it, I remember it. So the hands-on thing was really a powerful thing here, because that's what basically got me through school. With HVAC, people are very passionate. They love to fix things. If you like to fix things, it's definitely a field for you. And there's such a broad spectrum of things that you can fix and explore, and there's always something different. So if you want to do something new, then it's HVAC. It doesn't matter what age you are. You can be 52 or you can be 18. It doesn't matter. HVAC is age friendly. The HVAC teachers are great, very experienced. The knowledge that I got here was awesome, because hands-on knowledge with a good coach is better than hands-on knowledge with a bad coach. And Penn Commercial got some good coaches here. They really were supportive, they were understanding, and basically they were encouraging, very helpful, and they push. Not too hard, but they push just enough. And they really are very knowledgeable, very understanding of what's going on as they're teaching you, which is a beautiful thing. I'm glad I made the decision though, because now I'm eons from where I used to be. Career status, making good money, I feel better as a man, at least in my career. You know what I mean? It's awesome. But plain and simple, Penn Commercial is a good school, very good people. It's all in how you come into the building. Be more at Penn Commercial. Sorry.